everybody. This is the first part of the video for the continuing payroll problem. Since you guys have to complete part B, I am doing the video over part A. Basically the information is the same. It's just different amounts, but everything else is the same. And so basically we're given the information, given the employees, given their wage or salary. We're told they're paid every week. The work week consists of 40 hours. Every employee is being paid time and a half for anything worked over 40 hours. Wages are being paid on Friday, and here's the information we're given. And here is our time clerk report. That's going to tell us how many hours they're being paid for and the number of hours worked. And it says all employees except for Carson Kipley are paid for hours worked beyond 40 at 1.5 times. So if they work on a Saturday, it's still 1.5 times, not double time. So that all depends on the company. And so what we're asked to complete is the regular earnings, the overtime earnings, and the total earnings. So we are going to be completing just columns F through O for this portion, just for the top. So let's do hours worked. And here we're going to list only the highest amount we're going to list is 40. So he worked 40 hours, 40 and then 8 hours of overtime, 37.5, 40, and then 6, 40, 40, and then 1.25, 40, 40, 40 with 4 hours overtime, and then 40 hours. So rate per hour, this is where we go back to the information we're given. So he's paid $17.50, $17.25, $18.10, okay, so here's the information so far. Now we're given per week, so let's go $515 a week. Then we have month, and then year. So if we're paid weekly, it needs $52,000 a year. There's 52 weeks in a year, so his pay is $1,000. That one we don't have to really calculate. Okay, so to calculate pay for the individuals that are given per month, we have to figure out their annual salary. So we have $2,700 times 12 months gives us $32,400 and divide it by 52. Gives us $623, and we're going to round it to 8 cents. So that's going to be $623.08. And we're going to do the same thing for the rest of the ones that are paid per month. $33.50 times 12 divided by 52. So that's $773.08. And then the last one is 2,510 times 12 divided by 52. So that's $579.23. Okay, and now we got to calculate the pay for the hourly employees. So 40 times 17.5, 700. And I'm just going to repeat the process. And the last one. Oops. $1,875 times 40 is $790. And now we have to add all of the amounts up. Since we did not include rounding on the form, you can actually go ahead and have Excel do the math. If you have the formulas within the cells, it will not round correctly. Just to give you that heads up. So now we need to figure out rate per hour. So we have $17.25. Oops. So $17.25 times 1.5 gives us $25.88 with rounding. So it's $25.88. $17.90 times 1.5 gives us $26.85. Okay, and here we have to take 515 divided by 40 gives us $12.88 times 1.5 gives us $19.32. And then the last one is we have $579.23 divided by 40 hours gives us $14.48. Multiply it times 1.5 gives us $21.72. Okay, and so now we can just do the math. So we have 8 times 25.88. And then we're just going to go straight down and do the same thing. 6 times 26.85. So 1932 times 1.25, 24.15. And then the last one. 4 times 21.72. So that gives us 86.88. And then again, since we did not have formulas in the cells, we're just going to let Excel do the math. So we are almost done with the portion we have to complete for this week. Now we just have to find the total amount of earnings. And so for this, I'm just going to let Excel do the work. And then because I entered a cell, I can click on the little square at the bottom and just complete the formula, and it will do all of the math for you. And then if you drag the cell down one more, it'll complete the math for you. And so there you go. You would save this and then send this to me, and that is the first part of the continuing payroll project. If you have any questions on it, let me know.